One.
All right, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to download and then import audio files and video files and images from the internet and bring them into WeVideo so that you can create your digital memoir. So the first program that I want to let you know about is called syncfile.co. So if you go to this website, syncfile.co, what you can do is if you have a URL of a YouTube video, either a song that you'd like to include or a YouTube clip that you'd like to include in your digital memoir, what you can do is you can highlight the URL, and if you paste it down here in this box right here, after you paste it, it'll just take a moment, but then it'll start thinking, and it's going to take you automatically to a site that will allow you to download this particular video. And what you can do is, I would recommend downloading this not at the quality they recommend, which is 42 megabytes, which would be huge, but scroll it down to MP4 360p, which is going to be just good enough for our purposes today. If you want the audio from a particular song, like let's say you want some music in your digital memoir, just change that, go up here to where it says choose MP3 quality, and then just select low quality. 128 kilobytes per second. And then what you can do is when you click that, that will download the video or the audio file to your Chromebook, so that then what you can do is you can upload it into WeVideo. So here I have WeVideo open, and I put together just kind of a short video that's I'm going to use to demonstrate some of the things you'll need to do in order to create your digital memoir. So what I've done is I've already uploaded a song, I've uploaded a picture, I've uploaded an audio recording I made on MicNote, and I've uploaded a short video clip that I pulled off of YouTube. So if you wanted to upload any of these audio, video, or picture files, what you do is you go to this little green, you create a new WeVideo project, and then you go to this green button here where it says Upload Media. You click on that, and you'll see that I've uploaded all of these different files, these 4 different files. And then I want to show you kind of how you can use WeVideo to create your digital memoir. So you can just take each of these tracks and move them down here into whatever kind of whatever thread you want to move them into. You'll notice that it says like audio 1, audio 2, video 1, video 2. You may need to click the plus button here to create a new track title for a new video track or a new audio track. By default, I think it only has 1 video track and 2 audio tracks. You might need to create another one in order to have pictures and video to kind of split things up. But what you can do then is once you've taken the audio and video files that you're going to be using in your memoir and you've dragged them down into the various tracks here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to adjust the pictures, and you're going to want to adjust the video files, and you're going to want to adjust the audio. So let's say I wanted this picture of this cute puppy to display for a longer period of time. All I would do is I would just drag it out so that it would display for a longer or shorter period of time, depending on what I need for my video. I've got here my audio track from MicNote, and I've got here my song from Journey. I've also got a clip from a YouTube video. One thing that I want to show you how to do before we finish this tutorial is you're going to have, when you have multiple audio tracks, you need to kind of equalize the audio so things are the appropriate volume, and and your voice isn't too loud, and that the music you have is not drowning out your voice. So on audio tracks, anytime you have an audio track, what you can do is you can adjust the volume level right here to be whatever you need it to be. And if you want to adjust the volume level at any point on the track, so let's say maybe you want it to be louder at some points and quieter at others, there's this blue line right here, and you can grab that blue line and adjust the audio level, and you can see kind of the blue line going up and down. It starts in one place and moves to another, and this will allow you to change the audio level throughout the course of your clip. For video tracks, it's a little bit different because there are other things that you can do to edit video. What you'll need to do is you'll need to double click on the video track itself. So you see I double clicked. Let me just go back. I've selected the video clip in the track, double click on it, and it has some transitions, like I can add a fade in or fade out transition, which you may want to do. I can adjust the audio level of the clip as well, so I can keep this quieter or louder depending on what I need for my purposes. There's some animations you can add, color, brightness, things you can play around with here, but the audio level is probably the most important one for our purposes. And if you double click on images, you also have an opportunity to change animations and edit the picture here as well. So once you've put together your memoir, so you have your sequence of pictures and videos and you have your audio there, what you can do is you can go up here and you can preview your memoir, and you can hear this awful mashup I've got right now of the music and my voice and the picture and the video. But that's what you'll use to create your WeVideo. And then once you have finished your WeVideo, you can go ahead and you can export that video and submit it.